is Greg Shlevish. Today I'm gonna show you how to unvintage a mix. I have received a request by the band Gaz Part E-Den with a song called Lyen. And he asked me to help him with the $10 American Canadian dollars. So the problem with that mix is it's too vintage. So let's hear the song. So you already noticed a lot of noise. Let's go at the end. You hear that noise? Very unlikely. Thank you. Fuck you. So gonna start with the isotope denoise. We're going to go with the denoise. So DS and start with that. Yeah, absolute. Always. Threshold down to 0. Cutoff. As you can see, it changes nothing. So we're gonna make another move. Let's react to that. Spectral denoise. Let's go with that. And learn. Yeah. Now you can see there's no noise. And reduction at maximum. Let's hear it again. It's really better. It's more modern. Now let's go with some EQing. Alright. Let's boost the bass and the highs because vintage music doesn't have highs. There's not enough bass, so let's add. You don't have to be shy. Let's go to the bass. Yeah, that's right. And sometimes you wonder that in that case we have only just a track, so you gotta separate the stems like you would separate someone from their children. Now that the tracks are separated like family, listen to just the utter. That it's always mute. And then the bass. There's not enough distortion on that, so gonna put some plugins by Soundtoys. I don't know if you know that one, the Decapitator. Let's start with some punish. Alright, so you can really hear all the sound. Let's go to the voice.
It's hard to swallow the only thing.
Okay, that is okay, but as you can see, the pitch is not really correct. So let's add some pitch correction. And just, I have the eternal eyes. So, okay, alright, let's go. Detune, just a little bit. The response always at 0. And just try some things. Alright, there's not enough presence in there, so you gotta add some S. So we're gonna find all the S. Oh. And maybe add some more with all the Q up here. Alright. And make it dynamic. That will do. Alright. Perfect. As from now, there's no drum here, so we can just delete all that because there's a lot of noise in that song. So that's the drum. It's kind of okay. It's just okay, so we gotta add a little bit of punch. So let's go to sub bass. Alright. It's okay, but then I have here, amazing. Maybe with that, it will help. So I have 24 dBs plus a couple of times. Let's hear how it sounds for the mix. Let's play. That's better. Let's listen with all the song. The song is kind of better that way. You can hear the club in there. And maybe use that one in another bus. So you send the bus 27 always, and then you gotta press X and then copy paste. Let's go away all those penises. Always, 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 penis. So let's rename that. Penoise. No, not that word. Penoise. Sorry for that. If kids are watching that, you shouldn't learn. So let's learn. Always learn. Always learn. Always learn. Always learn. Let's start with that. I'm gonna stop that, and then you gotta press unmute, select here, and then Command B for penises, MP3. Always use 32 because it's the best. Alright, bounce. And then you can add, always at the end of the mix, OK. Alright, and then you try to find the thing. So you gotta learn, whoa, what's that? And then you re-import. As you can see, there's beautiful, beautiful, really beautiful, 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 really beautiful waves. Let's listen to that. As you can see, the EQ is not ideal, so gotta tweak a little bit of that. You see that frequency? You gotta boost that, and then make it dynamic. All right, so that's what I call the esser. It's just a esser. All right, and then boost a little bit of the bass. All right, and as you can see in the new Logic, there's a mastering. So you click on mastering. All right, let's listen to that. All right, so it's ready to go on the market. Okay, go market. Mix. Finally, penis. All right, and then you have a song. So thank you for Gaz Part E-Den to make listen to the song, and then you can do whatever you want with the mix and help others with it. So asking you to leave. Thank you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Thank you. Fuck you.